Africa Content TV.
People now want Abuja, national headquarters. What bless you, I'm Saheed padà di bàbá ẹnu jẹun lọ ẹnu nìkan ò dẹ̀ lè ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ MC ti di panu mọ́ ààbò ní Sokoto ó di panu mọ́ ààbò ní Abuja ó di panu mọ́ ààbò gbogbo ilẹ̀ Ìgbò ó di panu mọ́ ààbò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ó di panu mọ́ ààbò irú wa ògiri wa padà wá gbà fún un ẹ̀dá ò dàbí Ọlọ́run kò wá tán bí o. Gbogbo national lọ́gbà mi. Ó wà.
I'm very, very happy to be here today, especially to see my brother representing the national union. A lot of people do not know that for a long time I've been calling him Mr. President. The boy is now Mr. President. But we thank God for the that is on this seat. So Aburo Mobayo Dupelo no fún Ngungu Lafia, good health and good spirits from Afiko City. Water the jetty and all. Always going to stand with you, stand by you, stay with you, no matter the consequence or circumstance. I'm very happy to be here.
Let's also on behalf of the good people of Oshodi. Say this is our own symbol, this is our own representation. And we'll continue to appreciate God for giving us OLUOMO. And we are proud of him. He has always been part and parcel of us, and goodness and mercy shall continue to follow us in Oshodi. We tell them that Oshodi is great. So we are seeing greater things today. And God will continue to enrich that place and move us up and up in Jesus' mighty name.
Thank you.
My rep and assembly, thank you very much, sir. God bless you. I wish you safe journey, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. This is Omojomo Law, Dr. Naudu. Two giants.
Nice one. Now, anyway, picture shaking. After that, put that. Take it.